What's good, y'all? Alright, so today we're going to do a quick little video on basically trading psychology and having multiple streams of income. So having multiple streams of income is like crazy important on multiple levels. Like, first thing is, once again, we're all trading because we need money. We need money, that's why we are trading. And some of us need money more than others. So when you need money, sometimes that fogs your brain. That and that can make you trade aggressive. That can make you trade aggressive. That can make you get into trades you don't want to get into. That can make you think that you're a scalper when you really should be swing trading. That can make you have FOMO. That can make you revenge trade. So when you need money, you should never focus on one source of income. And that one source of income should never be trading. I always suggest, if you're a trader, always have another source of income, because it will relieve so much pressure. It will allow you to really trade and see the charts, because when you're in need, I'm telling you, it's going to fog your brain. You're going to look at the charts and it's not going to look like the regular charts. You're going to see a bunch of false setups. You're going to see a bunch of rush setups. You're going to take the trade. You're going to take the trade, probably lose the trade, and then after you lose the trade, you're going to look at the chart and be like, yo, what was I thinking? What was I thinking? But if you have another source of income, then you'll be able to trade and see the charts, see your patterns, see your trades set up. It's just going to become easier. So definitely think about another source of income when trading. It can be anything. Like some people who are trading, they're young, especially on this Forex thing, So go get a job. If you're staying at home with your mom, Dukes, your grandma, whoever, go get a job. Don't just be sitting at the computer all day trying to trade. Go get a job. I'm not saying, get a full-time job. If you need a full-time job, get you a full-time job and make trading work for you. If you're working, swing trade so that you won't be dedicated to the charts for too many hours. Go get a job, get you a side hustle, There are plenty of opportunities online to make money. It doesn't have to be a get-rich-quick scheme. Just have another source of income. Anything. Go cut some grass. Cut hair. Go do anything legally. But get you another source of income so that you can focus more on trading and not focus on making money. That's a key thing. When you're trading, you have to focus on trading and not focus on making money. Because that can really, really, really hurt you. Because you got to remember, you're not going to become rich from trading in a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. This is a marathon. This is not a sprint. You're not drag racing. This is a marathon. And then also, you got to think about some of the richest people. You got to think about the 1%. The 1%, they're not the 1% because they have one source of income. They're not. They have multiple sources of income, multiple lanes and revenues of money coming in. You're not going to become rich from one source of income. You're not going to become a billionaire from one source of income. You need multiple streams of income coming in. You got to work smarter, not harder. And to work smarter is to divide your work ethic, divide your mental up, so that you can spread out your stress, to be truthful. You don't want to be stressing on one thing. If you can spread your stress out, it sounds crazy, but it'll be less stressful. So yeah, that's it for me today. Is trading psychology. Part 1 for me is multiple streams of income. Get you multiple streams of income. Do not let trading be your main source. Another thing, a lot of us are experiencing this right now. Anything can happen on the charts, man. Anything can happen on the charts. And if you're trading with prop firms, anything can happen to a prop firm. So you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. You don't want to make a living from a prop firm, then the prop firm shuts down tomorrow. You don't want to have to experience that. And then you're losing your mind trying to figure out how you're going to provide for your family. If you have multiple streams of income, you'll be like, okay, I'm going to lean on this other stream of income while I figure out this trading stuff. So yeah, man, once again, stay healthy, wealthy, stay positive, grind, don't stop. Multiple streams of income, that's the way to go. Be easy.